I have 3 images and I want to create a design using them. First, I need a strawberry garden background having an empty table in the center and I will use it for my design. First, I click on AI Generate. Then I select Create Image. Now the AI Generate Docker opens. In the box, I write the main prompt. Then I select the aspect ratio. After that, I choose the AI model. Now I click Generate. In a few seconds, the image is generated. Now I will use this image to create my design. First, I drag the image. Then I place it on the table. Right-click on the image. Click Remove Background. In a few moments, the background is removed. I repeat the same process for the other images. Remove the background one by one. Then place them on the table as needed. And now the design looks great. This is possible in CorelDRAW 2026. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.